What if failure is actually your greatest advantage? They play it safe. Most people are afraid to fail. But comfort never creates greatness. They stay in their comfort zone. Success comes from risk. And risk always involves failure. You cannot grow without falling. The question is not, will you fail? The question is, how will you fail? Will you fall back? Or fall forward? Falling forward means learning something. It means gaining experience. It means moving closer to success. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Every setback builds strength. Every failure shapes your future. But only if you choose to learn. Don't run from failure. Embrace it. Because failure is feedback. It shows you what doesn't work and guides you toward what does. Think about the greatest achievers. They all failed. Again and again. But they never quit. They kept pushing forward. That's the difference. Persistence beats talent. Discipline beats motivation. Action beats overthinking. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Progress is better than perfection. Small steps lead to big results. Every day matters. Every decision counts. You are building your future right now. So take responsibility. Own your journey. No excuses. No shortcuts. Just hard work and belief. Believe in your vision. Even when others don't. Stay focused on your goals. Ignore the noise. Trust the process. Growth takes time. Success takes effort. Nothing valuable comes easy. But it's always worth it. So take the risk. Make the move. And if you fall, make sure you fall forward.